Do you ever find yourself breaking your creative flow to check a fact or a counter-argument? We'll show you how to use AI-powered references in Tome to land your points and strengthen your narrative without leaving your page. Imagine you're crafting a deep dive into eco-friendly cycling gear, but there's one detail: the environmental degradation caused by current cycling gear manufacturing that you're unsure about. To cross-check a fact, highlight your statement, then hit the reference button. 3 references will appear in the hover state module. Tome's AI scans the internet, curating the most relevant and high-quality references to review. You can easily verify the key details from each source. If it's a match, simply click to cite the reference in your work. Tome will automatically add a hyperlinked superscript to your text. When others view your Tome, they can hover over the superscript and preview the source. Next, we'll cover how to add collaborators, present, and export your Tome.